Namaskaram. It's a quick video about inner engineering completion with Sadhguru, which is happening at Isha Yoga Center, Coimbatore. So please subscribe our channel. Engineering completion online in Google. So you get this page. I will put the link in description. So check it out. So it is happening on January 9th and 10th in Isha Yoga Center, Coimbatore, and conducted by Sadhguru, directly conducted by Sadhguru, and it is in English language. Click the registration form button and you will get some guidelines. So it is mandatory to attend inner engineering course to apply for inner engineering completion. So limited seats are there, so please if you completed the inner engineering course, try to register and complete this along with Sadhguru. Problem, if you miss this opportunity, you will get another opportunity through online. So it will be happening in frequent days. So I will be posting the details soon. And the next RT-PCR test is mandatory for participating in this completion program. So before arrival you have to test this, and the test should be taken not more than 72 hours before the arrival, and also the test report should be sent by email to iycprograms@ishayoga.org not later than 24 hours before your arrival at Isha Yoga Center's checkpoint. So the main thing is you have to only you have to check RT-PCR COVID-19 test. So no other test is acceptable. Also a detailed report in soft copy format is required. SMS or summary format is not acceptable. So you can read also this. So I'm showing this, just read. And next thing is stay. So all you have a doubt regarding the stay. So there are two categories, and one is Bhagirathi stay. So the program fee is 45,000 per participant. Accommodation will be provided at Nalanda Cottage at Isha Yoga Center, and additional first degree immediate family members, it will charge rupees 40,000 per participant. Individual family members should submit separate forms if staying together. Please mention the same email address for both all the participants staying in one room. A maximum of 3 participants can be put in one room because of COVID-19 precautions. So it's first type, and next one is Noyal. So the program fee is 38,000 per participant. Accommodation will be provided at Nadhi Cottages. So in this, for additional members, it costs 32,000 per participant, and same individual family members should submit separate forms as we saw in Bhagirathi. So it is 32,000 per participant, and if you are staying together, we can't stay more than 3 participants in same room. So please remember, it is mandatory to attend inner engineering course. Only after completing you have to register or enroll for inner engineering completion program. So after submitting your details, so they will contact you through your email ID, and for the proceedings you will be instructed through that email ID. So it's a quick video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.